Carbon footprint is a measure of the amount of greenhouse gases, primarily carbon dioxide, released into the atmosphere as a result of human activities. The carbon footprint of a particular activity or product is calculated by taking into account the amount of carbon dioxide or other greenhouse gases that are emitted during its production, transport, use, and disposal. There are several ways in which human activities can increase carbon footprint and contribute to climate change. 1. Burning fossil fuels. The burning of fossil fuels, such as coal, oil, and gas, for energy and transportation is one of the biggest contributors to carbon footprint. These activities release large amounts of carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. 2. Deforestation. Deforestation and other land use changes can contribute to carbon footprint by reducing the amount of carbon that is stored in trees and other vegetation. When forests are cleared or burned, the carbon that was stored in the trees is released into the atmosphere. 3. Industrial processes. Industrial processes such as cement production, iron and steel production, and chemical manufacturing can also contribute to carbon footprint. These processes release large amounts of carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. 4. Agriculture. Agriculture is another significant contributor to carbon footprint. Livestock farming, for example, produces methane, a potent greenhouse gas, from animal digestion and manure management. Nitrous oxide is also emitted from the use of fertilizers and other agricultural practices. 5. Transportation. Transportation, especially by cars and planes, is another significant contributor to carbon footprint. The burning of fossil fuels for transportation releases large amounts of carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. Reducing carbon footprint requires a collective effort from individuals, businesses, and governments. Some strategies for reducing carbon footprint include: 1. Switching to renewable energy sources such as solar, wind, and hydropower. 2. Increasing energy efficiency by using energy-efficient appliances and equipment, and improving building insulation and design. 3. Reducing meat consumption and supporting sustainable farming practices. 4. Using public transportation, biking or walking instead of driving, and choosing fuel-efficient vehicles. 5. Planting trees and supporting reforestation efforts. 6. Encouraging government policies and regulations that support carbon reduction and renewable energy development.